In this video, I will show you that how to split text into columns. Let's see. As you can see that here I write some text and also mention that the separator of this text, first couple of data, these are here separator is text. So before I start, I will explain that what is separator here. Here you can see that there is two words. First one is Alice and second words is mutton. So between these two words here is a space. So here separator is space, and look at these words. Here separator is and, like first word is and second word this is, and connector is and. So this is separator, and as you can also see that here separator is at the rate. These are the email address. So our goal is to split this text into columns. So now I will start that how to split text. At first I am selecting this couple of text, then go to data, then select text to column. From this window we will select delimited. Next, here we will select the separator as space, then click on finish. What's happened? The text has been splitted. So we want to do these things in another way because our source text has been interrupted. We do not want this. Let's try again. Do undo. Now select again, click on text to column, delimited, click on next, space, next. Here is the destination. We will change the destination. By default destination is D6, but we will change the destination to F7. So let's see what will happen. We want to fix the destination at F6. Now click on finish. So as you can see that our source is remained same and it has not been interrupted. Now try next while separator is and. I have selected. Now click on text to column, select delimited, select next. Here we will uncheck this option because right now our separator is and. So here I will type and. Here you can see the preview. This is the our preview. Select next and change the destination because we want to put the result on another location. Here I put my destination at F15. Here we also can see the data preview. Click on finish. So looking good. This is our first result. Second. Now we will check into third option where separator is at the rate. I'm selecting this text, click on data, select text to column, select delimited. I will discuss the fixed width after this one. So now select delimited, click next. Here we have to change this separator name, shift to at the rate. As you can see the data preview showing in this way. That's cool. Click on next, select the destination. This is finish. Okay, now here I will show you another option. Click on data, select text to column. This is the fixed width. As you can see that here is written that fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. Click on next. Here we can fix that if we want to put first three words into first column, we can define this here. Now if another two words we will put on another field, another column. So first column will put first three words, second column will keep two words, and third column will put the remaining words. Select next. This is the data preview, and here we will show the destination. We will select J22, then finish. So it's showing that our reference is not correct. Okay, as you can see that first three words keep on first column, then two words, then the remaining words are on third column. So that's all about the split text into columns. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.